Jelly Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, today we're going to be making a really fun project. I'm going to show you guys how to make this mini Halloween piñata. I know, I love the name. I call them little piñatas because they're just adorable and they're full of really awesome things for Halloween. The idea behind this is that you can probably mail these out for a happy mail to any pen pal or any friend over the mail. And I just love that you can stuff so many little goodies in here. Believe it or not, my idea behind this is to stuff 31 little goodies in here, making it for kind of like 31 days of October, which 31 is Halloween. So I kind of made it around the idea that you were able to stuff 31 little goodies in here. And believe it or not, we're able to. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. This is so simple, guys. So simple. And I'm going to be counting with you all these little goodies that we're going to stuff in here. Believe it or not, it's possible. It's possible to stuff 31 little knickknacks and plus. You can even stuff more. All right, so what you're gonna need for this project is very simple. You're going to need cupcake liners. You guys know how much I love my cupcake liners. So I just pick up any cupcake liner that you love or that you like the decoration. And you're going to need 2 of them. You're going to sandwich them together and we're going to hot glue the edges of the cupcake liner. Just like I did with this one here. This one, I hot glue the edges and I just left a little, little opening so we can stuff the goodies in here. So let me show you really quickly how I did that. So these are the 2 cupcake liners we have. We're going to hot glue it. Now, 2 things. Be very careful with the hot glue because this is very thin and obviously if you're not careful, you're going to burn yourself. Another thing, you want to stay as close as you can to the edge of the cupcake liner. As close as you can. So how I do this to make it kind of like even out the best possible way, I just basically sandwich these 2 together. Make sure that the faces of the decoration is facing you and the other one is facing you, because I've made that mistake before where I hot glue these together and I totally messed up. Okay, so make sure you do that and then sandwich these together, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna go around, add some hot glue, glue it together, and just keep going around until you have the majority of your cupcake liners squished together. So you're gonna basically go around just like that, and then I'm going to add more hot glue here. Be very careful because this is super duper hot. And then you're going to keep going around until you find yourself that you're coming close to making a small little opening, okay? Just like this. I'm going to do a little bit more. All right, and now we have here, as you can see, this little opening where we can stuff things in here, okay? So let's count and let's stuff. I love this little project because it's such a good idea to do a happy mail. It's great to mail out to your friends a few of these in the mail. They'll be excited. It's kind of like fun, more like a piñata kind of like feeling. When you open a piñata, you have all these candies. Well, you open up this little mini piñata and you have these little goodies to play around with for crafting. So let me show you here really quickly what we have. The next thing you need to do is go in your craft area and find the smallest little objects that you can find to stuff them in the little pouch. That's basically all I did, okay? So let me show you really quickly what I have here. I have some stickers in here. All right, I got 2 stickers, okay? That's 3 little objects. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are 2 little wood veneers. So that's 5. We got eyeball 6 and 7. We got some ghosts 6 and 7, 8, 9. Wood veneer little ghosts 10. 11, 12, 13. This is a cute little tiny fly that I love to use for Halloween projects. Oh my god, I lost count. Okay, hold on. I'm not doing this again. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Let's start all over again. Rewind. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. These are little tiny stars. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 little buttons. 40, 41, and 42. There's 42 little items in here that we're going to be able to stuff in this little pouch. Okay? There we go. I should have done that from the beginning. Let's stuff in here all this stuff. I wanted to just show you that it's possible to stuff little goodies in these pouches and be absolutely satisfied with the amount of little goodies that we can put in here. And you can probably stuff more. The smaller the better. Okay? But it's possible, my loves. It's possible. Believe it or not, it is absolutely possible. I love this idea. It's awesome, and it's great to receive little happy mail, and it's just really awesome. You can put the little tiny ones in there. There we go. Okay. Just shake it around. Give yourself some more room. Keep going. Keep stuffing things in there as much as you can. I think this is an extra ticket, but I'm just going to put it in there anyway. And I'm going to be mailing these out to a few of my little crafty friends that I adore. So I had to make like 8 of these. I just finished making, I think it's like 8 or 9 of these. Okay. So I'm going to be mailing that soon. Okay, so there you go. It's possible. It's all in there. You see that? All of them are in there. So the next thing you're going to do is very carefully making sure that everything is nicely squished in there. We're going to finish completing hot gluing the edges of the little opening, okay? Now, I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, oh my God, but you have to rip this open and you can't save the cupcake liners. It's supposed to be a piñata idea. So the idea behind it is that, you know, you can just open it up and you can get these wonderful little goodies, and it's going to be a nice surprise for the person who receives it. But what I also did, which is a great idea in the event that you feel that it would work for you. I know that that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to add in my little Happy Mail, I'm going to be adding a few cupcake liners of this type and a few of these type. I'm going to probably add maybe 2 or 3 of each so that the person that I'm mailing this to, they can actually use the cupcake liner, because once they rip this open, they're not going to be able to use the cupcake liner, right? Unless you very carefully open it up and then you just kind of like, you know, use whatever you can for any kind of project. But to make it easier, I will be including a few cupcake liner samples, okay? And that's a good idea to do. So now that we have a little pouch all closed up, I want to show you one thing before we are literally almost done. I have another one here that I made for myself, and I want to show you. Now, another fantastic idea is to give these as little party favors. If you're having a Halloween party, if you have some children that are coming over, maybe you're a teacher and you want to add some like little goodies, this is such a great idea. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to show you. You can also add some kisses in here. Any kind of small candies can be added in here, and that will be a fabulous idea to also give out for Halloween. Perfect to give out as a favor, perfect to give out as a little gift, a thank you for coming to my party gift, whatever you want. Just the idea behind it is absolutely adorable, and it's just so freaking cute, right? So I did this one as a candies, and I did this one that has little crafty goodies in it, right? I'm going to hot glue this together to seal it. Be very careful because it's super duper hot. Okay, and that's going to seal my edges. And we're going to decorate it, and I'm going to show you how I did this little decoration in seconds. All you need is a cute little bow that I have here, some cute little bats that I have here, and that's all you need. So what I did for these is very simple. I added my bow on a little corner right here, just like that, okay? Oh, Hershey is out there barking. So I'm gonna add here the bow, and I'm going to add the bow on this one. And then we're going to be adding some adorable little bats. Now I have also some other bows that I also made, which are these little gold and silver little bows. I'm going to also add them to the ones that we just glued down, just to give it a nice little cute decorative look. See? It gives it a nice little look, nice festive look. Yes? Okay, so let's do a little bit of hot glue. See? It just makes it so much fun. It looks really pretty. And then I'm going to add another one here. And also, keep in mind that you don't have to have Hershey's. You can give out or put in here any candies that you want. You can even put toys for children, right? Like those little miniature toys. A little car, a little doll, maybe like a little doll, I don't know, dog figurine or something. It's just anything really. Anything that would be able to fit in here. All right. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some bats. And I have here my bats that are bat rings. You're going to add 2 bats per little pouch. So all I did was cut out the backing of the bat ring. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue my bat onto one side of my little string of bow. So I'm going to glue it to this one. If you want to glue it to both sides, you could. I'm only gluing one side because I just kind of like the one side. But you can do both if you want, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my back right over the little string. Right there. Okay? Just like that. Then I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to squeeze it in there. And your bat should look something like this. Let me show you. See? And now turn it around. And we're going to get the second bat and we're going to glue it down on that side. So this way, you have a cute bat on the front and a cute bat on the back. So we're going to sandwich this together as even as possible. Okay, just like so. And you're going to get something that looks like this. See that? How cute does that look? Cute little bat hanging. I love that. All right, let's do this one and then we're done with this project. Now, if you want to use different color of bats, you can do that. Or if you want to use maybe buttons, you can do that. You can use other little things if you want. It doesn't have to be a bat, right? It could be other things too. All right, let's do the same thing. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue here. And then I'm going to add it to my twine. Very carefully because it's super duper hot. And then you're going to hold it for a few seconds until kind of gets a little bit firm and not dry, fully dry, but dry enough that it's kind of holding your string, or in this case I'm using twine. And then I'm going to take the other bat. I'm going to do the same thing, hot glue, and I'm going to sandwich this one together. Making sure it's as even as possible. And voila. And there you go. Okay, perfect. And that, my friend, is how we create these super adorable mini Halloween piñata Happy Meal pouch. I thought these were just so cute, guys. I love the idea. I think that anybody's going to be happy receiving this over the mail. Make sure that if you mail out candy over the mail, you are very careful with what you're mailing. I wouldn't suggest mailing out candy. I would suggest doing like a Happy Meal and maybe using the candy idea for like a, I don't know, maybe like a gathering or like a little favor gift or something like that. All right, my loves. Okay, I hope you like my little piñata. I hope that you guys get some inspiration, and I hope that you like this idea. Let me know at the bottom of this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more pictures. I love you all. Thank you so much for returning to my channel and for your amazing comments. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, honey bunnies.